So I come to an assignment and I see there are a lot of assignments that have only been viewed, some are not turned in, and there are only really 2 students here that have done the work. So I'm going to go from this student all the way to the top and make sure that their parents get emails about this. So to start with that, I'm going to export this list to Excel. Now, unfortunately, you don't see the status column in the Excel output. So you need to physically go and delete the students that are down over here that already have turned their assignment in. This is the file that you get. You go and delete all the students that have done, and the ones that have not submitted, you then take across to a new list which has parent emails in it. So this is the first assignment I've just done. I did one for that assignment, one for that assignment, and the other assignment. So now I have all the students who have not submitted their assignments, which assignment it is, when the due date was, and I have extracted the student's first name from my outstanding list. This we're now going to use as a data source in a mail merge. So now I've created a letter, looks like this. I have selected my recipients and I've created my merge fields here. I then drop those into this letter according to my records. Here's your child's name that comes from the mail merge. There's the assessment and there's the due date, which comes from here, assessment and due date. I can now preview my results and I can loop through them. And then to finish this, I'm going to finish this and I'm going to send email messages. And then from there, the parents will get the emails.